BCAC conducted 7th edition of Golden Triangle Cycling Championship 2025. Bhubaneswar Puri and back 114 kilometers. Bhubaneswar Cycling and Adventure Club has once again conducted its flagship cycling event Golden Triangle Cycling Championship GTCC for the 7th consecutive year, the only competitive cycling in the state. Aimed at improving competitive spirit among the budding cyclists of Orissa state, the 7th edition of GTCC witnessed one of the largest participations so far in terms of more than 100 pro cyclists from 12 states racing against their competitors. Shri Manoj Ahuja, IAS, Chief Secretary, Orissa, graced the prize distribution ceremony as chief guest. Shri Sanjeev Panda, IPS, ADG of Police and President BCAC. Shri Anant Patnaik, Vice President HDFC Bank graced the function as distinguished guests. The podium finishes are: first prize was awarded to Siddhesh Ajit Patil of Maharashtra with 1 lakh rupee cash award and timing of 2 hours 51 minutes 37 seconds. Second position, Mandeep Singh of Punjab. Time taken, 2 घंटे 51 मिनट 37 सेकंड. 50,000 रुपए कैश अवार्ड. Third position, Sumit Kumar of Haryana. 25,000 रुपए कैश अवार्ड. Time, 2 घंटे 52 मिनट 13 सेकंड. Earlier in the morning, Saj. Sanjeev Panda, IPS, ADG of Police and President BCAC, Ms. Minati Mohapatra, President Orissa Cycling Association and Shri Anant Patnaik, Vice President, HDFC Bank had flagged off the race from the Ashoka Pillar on the foothills of Dhuli Peace Pagoda at 6:30 am. More than 100 professional cyclists from 12 states participated in this road cycling championship to test their endurance. This year event saw record 25 professional cyclists from 11 other states like West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi are taking part. One foreign nationals, Austria, also participated in the event. As the peloton moved ahead, the bike marshals and with the police patrol took the roads with a fearsome pace of more than 40 km per hour. BCAC also awarded cash prizes to first 10 finishes along with prizes in different age category totaling 2.25 lakhs. All the finishes were awarded with race medals and digital race certificates. The winners were handed over winners' trophy with cash rewards by the chief guest Shri Manoj Ahuja, Chief Secretary. The Chief Secretary commended the role of BCAC in organizing this mega national cycling event. He also assured that government will provide all the support to take the event to international level in the coming years. BCAC, committed towards excellence in cycling as a competitive sports in Orissa, has successfully conducted another remarkable edition of GTCC in 2025. BCAC profusely thanked to the HDFC Bank for being the title sponsor of 7th edition of GTCC. BCAC also extends its thanks to SecuredSoft for being the technology partner, IDBI Bank, Red Bull as energy partner in this edition of GTCC. BCAC profusely thanks the Orissa Police, SP Puri or DCP Bhubaneswar for their wholehearted support and effective marshalling on the busy highway of Bhubaneswar or Puri. Ajay Nanda, Sibasis Mahanti and Santosh Raut conducted the entire event. BCAC has earlier conducted mega cycling events like Vietnam to Cambodia, Bhubaneswar to Bhutan, Cuttack to Kathmandu, Manali to Khardangla in the Himalayas as well as expedition in Sri Lanka. BCAC is committed to promote both running and cycling culture in the state along with other adventure activities. Nation News Bureau Report.
साइक्लिंग एवं एडवेंचर क्लब BCAC द्वारा गोल्डन ट्रायंगल चैंपियनशिप साइकिल रेस आयोजित करा जाइतला एटा 10 वर्ष तले बोधे आरंभ होईची बहुत खुशी हेली एठी देखी करी कि आज 100 ऊर्ध भागीदारी नहीं थिले पार्टिसिपेंट थिले एवं ऑल इंडिया रू महाराष्ट्र रू पंजाब रू हरियाणा रू अन्य राज्य रू भी बहुत पार्टिसिपेंट आसते जहाँ वो संग कथबार्ता से मैंने बहुत खुशी अच्छा जो आयोजन कराई बहुत भल हो गोटे राष्ट्रीय स्तर साइक्लिंग गोटे कंपटीशन हो जाइए आउ सरकार तरफ भी आम चाहूँ जमी आमर ओडिशा रे अधिक पर्यटक आसबे तो ये प्रकार जहाँ प्रतियोगिता अच्छी आम चेष्टा करूँ जमी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर में आम करूँ एवं BCAC रा जो आयोजन कराई समस्त को वॉलंटियर जो आयोजन करी विशेषकर जो हेड अच्छा संजीव पंडा एवं जो आमर पार्टिसिपेंट अच्छे समस्त को धन्यवाद जनाऊँ।